beautiful, excellent driving 64 Corvette. Side pipes. Interior is like new. Convertible top is like new. It runs absolutely perfect. I think it's idling a little bit high. Car runs and drives perfect. It's a beautiful driver. Needs nothing. Paint is nice. Interior. Cut this in a minute. The door panels are beautiful.